So I think that is when I realized it's not just a phase. It is something that all of us are going through as entrepreneurs who are women. So I think the biggest thing I learned in that journey was like you just have to be yourself because that is really what makes you you and makes you special. Now in the workplace, of course, you come across some interesting characters who will kind of try to, think of you differently as because of your gender. But itna maza aata hai to prove them wrong. He told me that he was so regretful of having missed the opportunity to invest in my company.
Neha Sagi, Neha Nagar, thank you so much for taking out the time for this. The name of our panel is It's Just a Phase. And that is because women are tired of listening. You complain or you dissent, and they say it's just a phase. When was something that you thought was just a phase but was not?
I was told that the first time I went fundraising. I was told it's just a phase, आप अभी business शुरू कर रहे हो, company शुरू कर रहे हो, आप first time entrepreneur हो, इसलिए आपको funds नहीं मिल रहे.
Yeah.
And I was like, ठीक है, तो ये phase, so next phase, मेरा growth का phase आ रहा है. Like I would show the numbers, we grow more and more, but still it would be a bit of a longer conversation. Then I realized that I'm actually raising money in a world where the rules are set by men. So then it's not a phase. It's something I have to acknowledge, understand, and then play my game. So I think that is when I realize it's not just a phase. It is something that all of us are going through as entrepreneurs who are women.
Yes.
And we have to acknowledge what is good, but also acknowledge what is bad, and then work with the systems that are to make things better.
When women and finance come together, there is a perception that emotional. I don't know if they understand money. Will they be able to take the stress? They're just, all over the place.
Yeah, no, so I think when I started my first company, it was a consumer tech play, right? So while it was Baby Chakra and it was based on, supporting mothers through the extremely critical period of the life of pregnancy and early child care, and, it was also integrated with the healthcare ecosystem. We had 10,000 doctors. So, but at the heart of it, it was actually a product and a tech company. So whenever I'd go and I'd hang out with sort of the tech community, which was frankly always male, at that point in time, now it's changing for the better, I realized that me in my dresses and me in my bright pink tops was not quite fitting in. So I tried for a bit to wear like the black t-shirt, blue jeans thing. Then I realized it's not me. And I think then I switched. I was like, this is not going to work. I'm not able, because when you're not yourself, when you're not authentic to who you are, then you can't play to your peak potential. You can't play your A game, right? So I think the biggest thing I learned in that journey was like you just have to be yourself because that is really what makes you you and makes you special. So yeah, and I know I have like actually a former team member here who's kind of seen me in my flamboyant dresses after pitch meetings and after tech conferences. So I've really kind of just stuck to that.
One thing which is actually the crux is that now, we fought for opportunity, fought for a seat at the table. Now we are fighting for the throne. Now we want power. And here I want to bring you in, Naya, because as a successful woman, do you think the society, men at large, still feel very threatened with a woman who knows what she wants?
I think it depends. I mean, I've been surrounded by some amazing men. My husband is like extremely, he's amazing. Like, I think this is like a very equal parent. We both jam on things regularly, what's happening at work at his place, what's happening in my businesses. My father has been a very equal parent to us growing up and with my mother. My nana had 3 daughters and he was the one who encouraged my nani to go do a B.Ed and started a school so they could retire in some comfort because he was an army man. तब इतनी salary, pension इतनी होती नहीं थी. So because of that, in fact, I'm wearing my nani's heart today. So nani ने अपने, like when she was alive, she bought this with her own money and she, these are the things, like you feel proud to have these kind of men as role models in your life as well. Now, in the workplace, of course, you come across some interesting characters who will kind of try to, think of you differently as because of your gender. But itna maza aata hai to prove them wrong. So I remember, I'll just give a very small story. this person I met when I was starting my first company, and then he said कि but company कौन चलाएगा when you become pregnant? You're a sole founder, एक male co-founder ले आओ. And I said क्यों? मैंने मैं ही चलाऊंगी और कौन चलाएगा? It's I'll continue building the company out. And later I met him in a social event many years later. He didn't invest, obviously. He told me that he was so regretful of having missed the opportunity to invest in my company. And I felt so happy. I was like, no, it was a pleasure meeting you, I had to be obviously be proper and polite and respectful. But itna maza aaya. So, I think the bigger point is that if you just take one thing away from this conversation, just succeed.
Very true.
Just put your mind to something and just succeed. तब की बोलती बंद हो जाती है तब. Simple.
I think that's a mic drop moment. But honestly, that's the crux of this, and which is why, thank you so much. Paucity of time, I wish we could continue, but this has really been such a rich discussion. Am I right, guys? Super.